Good morning, class. How are you? I hope you're doing well. Today is a very happy day because today is Thursday. It's the 21st of May, and because today is Thursday, obviously, it marks the beginning of our weekend. Um, those who have been celebrating Ramadan know that this week is the last week of Ramadan, and we will soon have Eid. We will celebrate the end of Ramadan, basically. This is the last day of school before we go on Eid holiday. So please do your best. Make sure you make the most out of it and then enjoy your break. All right, perfect. What is happening today? Today's first lesson is moral education. Guy, as you know, today we have a assessment from moral education. Please be online at 10 o'clock. Be ready to start your assignment or your assessment at 10 o'clock sharp, okay? I don't want to see, I know about a couple of students who can make it, but if you did not write me and you won't make it, it will have consequences, okay? Make sure you can make it at 10 o'clock. All right, then your second lesson will be PE with Mr. Olaf. Don't forget to go online on Teams for that. And the third lesson will be maths. In maths, you will take a little quiz online on negative and positive numbers. Guys, don't worry, this is not a real quiz. This is just an activity for us to do, just to practice the numbers, okay? Don't worry about your score, just go for it. And it's an easy one anyway, because you've been practicing the whole week. Okay, then we have the fourth lesson, which would be extra support, those who have it with me. Others will have to follow their own timetables. Those who have extra support with me, please log into Kraken Comprehensions, but please do not go into year 4, go into year 5. I'm trying to make it a little more challenging now, and of course, you guys are going to go to year 5 next year. I'm not going to be your teacher anymore, but anyway, I wanted you to try to do a year 5 comprehension. So I assigned 2, so see how you do. You need to go into year 5, don't forget. All right, perfect. And the last lesson will be PSE. And the PSE lesson will again be about skills you need to have as someone who will want to do a job that you choose, okay, and why certain skills will help you get that job. All right, that is your day. Right, riddles. So the last riddle, let me actually click on it. Right, so the riddle was what has legs, but it can't walk. And I've had quite a lot of replies, which is amazing. I'm very happy about that. Here it is, 22 comments, 22 replies, perfect. So basically the answer I was looking for was a table. A table has 4 legs, but it can't walk. But most of you said table or chair. Sofa, also stuffed toys have legs, but they can't walk. Yes. Also same from Celine, Divine. Shaheen chairs, tables, also Ryan, Yalma. Small babies have legs, but they cannot walk. However, they can move their legs. Okay, they can move their legs to crawl, for example. So that cannot really count. Anahita, table, chair, Anya, chair, stuffed toys. Yes, most of you, chair, a TV, TV. If we can say that TV has legs, I'm not sure. But anyway, also Haya. Okay, bed. Yes, bed has legs as well. Simra. A caterpillar from Ira. It crawls, it doesn't walk. Okay, yes, but it still uses its tiny legs to move, so I don't think that can count. And Kusai also table chair. Okay, perfect. Thank you so much for your answers, and I am going to tell you what your next riddle is going to be. Your next riddle is Okay, let me see. Um, okay, this is a good one. So, what invention lets you look right through a wall? Like, we obviously can't see through a wall, right? But what invention lets you look through a wall? Please leave your answers below. Yesterday I read an interesting fact about bananas, and today I chose strawberries. Okay, it's many people's favorite fruit. All right, so strawberries come from a plant called Frigeria. Strawberries are edible, but technically they are receptacles, the thickened part of a stem rather than berries. So basically, stem. So some stems have like a thickened part or a thick part. So the strawberry is not an actual fruit of a plant, but it's a part of a stem. I had no idea about that. Making things even more confusing, the little hard pieces that appear to be seeds on a strawberry are actually a type of dry fruit that contain their own seeds. So these tiny seeds that we thought were seeds were actually fruits with seeds inside them. Wow. When ripe, strawberries are bright red, juicy, and very sweet. Strawberries have lots of vitamin C, and strawberry plants decline in quality and production after a few years, so are typically replanted. Strawberries are picked with part of the stem still attached, and unlike other fruits, they don't continue to ripen after being picked. So for example, if you pick a banana that is green, when you pick it, okay, it will actually turn yellow, it will ripen, but it's not the same with strawberries. Strawberries won't ripen after being picked. A large number of different pests, such as slugs and fruit flies, like to feed on strawberries. They are also susceptible to a number of diseases, especially those of fungal variety. Strawberries survive in a range of conditions and will grow happily in most places around the world. Strawberries are eaten in a number of different ways, including fresh, dried, as a jam, in a drink, or even in a muesli bar. Strawberry is also a popular artificial flavor added to a variety of foods. And that's it. I hope this made your morning a little bit sweeter. And please don't forget that we are also meeting at 1:30 today, okay? All right, wishing you a great day.